Hey everyone, what's up? It's Samuel here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on, today's going to be small cup. So the first step in doing this trick is, of course, you're going to hold it in Ken grip, obviously. The next step is you're going to want to bend your knees just slightly, and then right before you pull it up, you're going to pretend kind of like your your wrist is going to be facing straight up towards the ceiling, and you're just going to bend your knees quick and pull it up and catch it right on the small cup, just like I did. So, as you can see, that was just an example of a trick. Here, I'll get another one from another view. Alright everyone, so there's an example of the trick. Now that you know what it looks like, let's get into this. So, just a little bit more. The first, like I said, is holding it in Ken. The first step to doing this trick is holding it in Ken grip. You're going to hold it like this. In order to get the small cup, you're going to start with the Ken facing just like this. Just a regular, like have the ball hanging down. And you're going to get it like, just like this. And you're just going to be holding it in regular Ken grip. And then when you pull it up, you're going to turn your wrist up so that your knuckles and your wrist are pointing straight up. So this will help you get that nice easy catch on the small cup. And then it'll make it a nice easy catch, so that you can catch it in the small cup, and then you don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about it falling off and being all jumbled. You want to have it nice and smooth motion. Make sure to bend your knees on the catch as well. That will help with cushioning the tama on the cup, so that it doesn't just bounce off. So now that you have all those steps down, then let me put it together and you get the trick. Nice and simple, just like that. Alright guys, that's about it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.